So to begin our craft of our ballerina, we need to decide how tall you want the ballerina to be. If you take it hamburger side, match the corners up, crease, you will have a shorter ballerina. If you fold your paper hot dog style and match the corners up, get a good crease, you'll have a big, taller ballerina. So the next step, and the most important step into making your ballerina, is making the tutu. And what ballerina doesn't have a tutu? So you're gonna go in about 1 inch of the longest side of the paper and cut all the way down. Until you get a strip like this. Okay. Next, we are going to take the strip we just cut and fold it, zigzag and back and forth like this. And make sure you get the creases to where they stick. Until you get a rectangle, like an accordion, that looks like this. So the next step is the fun step. You're going to use your hamburger or your hot dog style piece of paper from the beginning to design your own ballerina. To begin, you're going to want to use the crease that you've made for a point of reference. For example, to draw the head, just use it for the center. And now this is where your own imagination can come into play, and you can design your ballerina however you want. Her ballerina bun, you could give her a ponytail. Okay. Very nice leotard. And give her a ballerina pose.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Just like that. So the final step into making your ballerina is to put the tutu on. So we need to glue the accordion that we made on both of the sides. And then you place the accordion so it opens this way in the crease of your ballerina. Like so. And you hold it down for a good 30 seconds. After the glue is dried for 30 seconds, open the pieces, and you have your ballerina. Yay.